Okay, hello dear friends. I just made some leftover fried rice with egg, onion, capsican, asparagus, and bean sprout. Let's see how I made this process. Hello dear friends. I have some leftover rice. And I want to do stir-fried rice, so I will put some onion in it. Oh, it's not zooming in. Okay, onion and capsicum. Onion. Oh, that's a lot of onion. A little bit of capsicum. Not too long. Turn the fire strong, and I will put cooking oil. Cooking oil, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, and you will see I keep on cutting the capsicum. I think that is enough. Maybe one more piece, right? Doesn't hurt. Okay, I cover it a little bit. So that it is not too noisy, right? Okay, time to say hello. Salt, pepper, hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Cover it, cook it for 2 minutes, and so that it is softened, the flavor coming out, and then we will put in this asparagus, and then we put rice and the egg. Okay. In 2 minutes. See you later, alligator. Okay. Hello dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here now I will fry some eggs, scramble some eggs. I will use 3 pieces. So here are 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So 3 eggs. Break it. I always have oh, sorry. Okay, so this is my way to put salt, pepper. Hello, salt. Bye-bye. Hello, pepper. Bye-bye. beat it while we talk. The oil is hot, ready, set. I can try it. Oh, almost good. It's pretty good. Let it heat up some time and then turn. And at the same time, you can prepare to cut the mushroom, champignon, to cut the little onion. I want to cook this mushroom, champignon. So, egg is ready. Take it out. And I will turn the fire very, very slow. You can see the slowest. Now I will cut little onion. Okay, 2 minutes later. Oh, I like it. Asparagus. Rice. You know, I have some bean sprouts. Doesn't hurt. Rice. Leave some for next time or make a soup. Cover it up. Use medium fire for 5 minutes, and then we will take a look at it again. Okay? Okay, hello dear friends. 2 minutes later, the heat in the vegetable, the heat and moisture in the vegetable make the rice soft. Now, we will take a look. It becomes easy and not completely easy. You will press it, physically help a little bit. It is better to use a big pot, big wok, but not the end of the world. you will make use of the condition, right? Now we will turn the fire strong and let the heat get some honey, the sticky bottom, which is the best. Okay, I put the fire slower, and while at this time talk about the philosophy of rice cooking, stir-fried rice. In Chinese, it is a tradition to use leftover rice. One is because we want to save and not waste. Another thing, when freshly cooked rice is hot, it's soft. And when it is cooled down, the water inside the rice very well distributed, and each rice becomes a complete consolidated pot. So when you reheat it, and the water inside the rice get heat up, get the flavor regenerated, revived. So that's the reason you have a better texture of fried rice with leftover rice. Okay, we do the strong fire again and end up. This is the end game. Look at it. So we can take it out, and the sticky bottom is always the family fighting fighting sauce. Everyone wants to have it. Okay, let's plate it. Okay, this one I use a Chinese plate. It's Chinese rice. Turn off the fire. We want to see some of this asparagus. Asperge. Bon appetito. Do. That's it.